model, 2019 Citroen Relay Boxer L3H2 96K. None runner spares or repairs. Euro 6 no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 96,338. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: clutch is missing, not sucking from intake and spins fast. Timing belt and chain is not snapped. Suspect faulty head gasket, feels low on compression. Engine needs repairing or replacing. Also needs clutch grin. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the